Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the SST class of 3rd standard. Today I am going to start chapter 6 Clothes. In this chapter we are going to discuss different type of dresses worn in different states, the common dresses of women, the common dresses of men, the formal clothes worn on special occasion. The objective of this topic is to explain the primary functions of clothing, different styles of clothing, and distinguish between casual and formal clothing. Children, clothing is one of our basic needs. Clothes have become integral part of our personality. Clothes protect us from heat, cold, and rain. There are clothes for every season. For example, woolen clothes for winters, cotton clothes for summer, raincoat for rainy season. Children, as people eat different types of foods in different parts of the country, in the same way, people living in different parts wear different types of dresses. Let's discuss about them by reading the chapter. Before reading, let's discuss the key words related to the chapter. Dhoti or mundu, a cloth worn around the waist. Ghagra or lehenga, long skirts worn by women. Kanchli, choli or kurta, blouse or shirt worn by women. Salwar, trouser-like garment worn by women. Odhni, cloth draped over the chest or head by women. Now children, it's reading time. So open your book at page 28. Chapter 6 Clothes. India has different landforms, climatic conditions and social culture differences. Underline the word landforms means natural features of the earth. Differences means dissimilarities. So, people living in different parts of India wear different types of clothes. Children, the land and surface of different parts of India varies from place to place. Some areas are hilly, some are plain, while some areas are near the sea. In some parts of India, summer is very hot. In some parts, winter is very cold, while in some parts, the climate is almost the same whole year. India has different socio-cultural differences, which means different group of people in society have different traditions, beliefs and different habits. So children, these are the some reasons due to which people wear different types of clothes in different parts of India. The dress of one area is also different from another area. We can often recognize the area to which a person belongs from his or her dress. But there are some dresses of women and men which are common and very popular all over the country. The sari with blouse and salwar kameez are the most common clothes women wear. Dhoti kurta, kurta pajama, trouser shirt are the clothes commonly worn by men. Children, in our country, common dresses of women are sari blouse and salwar kameez, etc. The most common dresses of men are trouser shirt, dhoti shirt, kurta pajama and dhoti kurta. Now next topic is women's clothes. Women all over the country wear colorful clothes. The styles and designs differ from place to place and are associated with particular region. Underline the word styles means trends. Designs means patterns. Associated means related. Particular means specific. The sari is worn by women in different styles. Children, the women like to wear colorful dresses. The style of women's dresses also differ from area to area. Saris are worn in different style in different parts of our country. We can easily find the name of the state to which a woman belongs from the way she wears her sari. Some of the clothes women wear in different states of India are Salwar Kameez, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Salwar Firan, Kashmir, Lehenga Choli, Gujarat, Ghagra Kanchli, Rajasthan, Mundu Blouse, Kerala, Ghagra Kurta Odhni, Haryana. Now, there are other popular dresses of women like in Haryana, Delhi and Uttar Pradesh, women wear salwar kameez, but the traditional dress of women in Haryana is ghagra kurta and they cover their head with odhni. Delhi is called mini India, so people from different states live here and they wear different dresses. In Uttar Pradesh, women wear sari and blouse. Firan with salwar is the prominent attire of Kashmiri women. They cover their head with scarf. The traditional attire of Gujarati women is lehenga choli. In Rajasthan, women wear ghagra kanchli. In Kerala, the lungi is known as mundu, which is worn by both men and women. Now children, see whose picture is this? This is a picture of Gandhiji, father of our nation. Children, do you know Mahatma Gandhi kept his spinning wheel and made his own clothes? And what type of cloth Mahatma Gandhi ji made from spinning? Mahatma Gandhi ji made khadi from spinning. And what was spinning wheel called? The spinning wheel was called charkha. Children, today I have discussed the common dresses of men and women and also discussed about the dresses worn by women in different states. Now your homework is to read the topic again, revise terms and do exercise C on page 31 and HOTS given on page 32. Thank you.